I'm receiving multiple comments of unlocking the bootloader on our recent devices with the HyperOS 2.0, which is Android 14 or 15 based devices. So currently the devices that I have is this Redmi 12 5G, Redmi Note 12 4G. So I have already unlocked the bootloaders on these devices when it was in MIUI 14. So I thought there isn't any much problem. But recently I have made a video of revisiting these devices on our channel. In that, I have mistakenly did the bootloader lock on all these devices. For unlocking the devices of Redmi Note 11 and Note 10 Pro, it was not an issue. But when it comes to Redmi Note 12 4G and Redmi 12 5G, which are in HyperOS 2.0, it was not at all working. So whenever I try to bind the device in the setting app, it is just failing, and it was asking to connect to a Xiaomi community app. So I searched it in Play Store. You know what? The community app is not at all available in the Play Store. So the next thing is I have downloaded the Xiaomi community app from the website, and then I have installed it manually. And the procedure was simple. Just I have to go to the setting and profile, and I need to log in with the same MI account in there, and then I need to apply for the approval. But you know what, this approval method is not at all working. So every day I was trying around 00 and GTM some time zone, which is almost like 9:30 p.m. On our Indian time. So every day, every single day I have opened at 9:30 p.m. even before the 9:28 or 9:29. In that time only I will start giving the requests. So within 1 second, like 9:30.01 second, millisecond or something, it will just tell all the quota is over. So this is made me think like this particular method is not at all working. Is there any other method? Well, there are some unofficial methods which you can use to unlock the Android 14 based or whichever devices coming from MIUI 14 you can do. Like there are glitch method they are telling, but nothing worked for me, to be honest. So this made me think again. Xiaomi or Redmi or POCO, whatever, whichever the HyperOS thing is going on, they just don't want us to unlock the bootloader. With the recent devices, this particular procedural, I don't know, like I just hate it, to be honest. I like Redmi devices or POCO devices based on the ability to unlock and install custom ROMs, and the community. It is large variety of people trying and experimenting with different builds and configurations. Steps or the way that the brand or the manufacturer pushing us to do is they just try to make us to mandatorily use HyperOS, and it is fine. It is fine as long as it is good and very intuitive, and it's very stable. People know not going to just jump and use it. So what I am thinking is that I won't be buying any Redmi, Xiaomi or POCO devices until unless this unlocking situation gets normal or fine, because I really got frustrated for last 1 week just to get it unlocked, and the worst part is it didn't even work. So I don't know, from the server issue or whatever they are doing, or intentionally they are making us not to unlock it. I don't know, but I really oppose this and I don't even like it. So I won't be buying any Redmi or Xiaomi devices until unless this issue is getting resolved and they provide the easy method to unlock the devices. So how I got unlocked? Well, there are people have the account with the unlocked unlock bootloader ability, or they have approval to unlock the bootloader. That approval also just for 1 year, and your account should be like more than 30 days. You have to be in the Xiaomi community app. These are just what prerequisites, but the method itself doesn't even work. So I got from one of the Redmi 12 5G community person, member in the community, and his name is Dabi Bharat. So I really thank him for giving his account, and I will be, because of him only, I will be able to unlock the device and make a video on Redmi 12 5G. So if you are having the device, just check with other people whoever got the unlock approval last year 10th month or 9th month. Currently it is not working, so you also try and you just check with other member who are having it, and get it, and get it unlocked somehow if you want. So yeah, that's what about the unlock situation option. And whoever asking like, is there any method to unlock? Well, there isn't any method. You have to get the account from some other people and get it bind with your device and wait for 3 days, and it will, you can do the procedure. And just try, like, if I get any update on like if I get any update that MI community app is back or in Play Store, or it is properly working to enable the unlock bootloader, I will let and update it in the comment section, or I'll make a different video. So yeah, just watch things happen. So I shouldn't have locked the device, but it is again a good thing that I got to know like these problems or exist. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching. Quote motto.